Today I am making Choco tacos and strawberry crunch ice cream taco. Freeze dried strawberries with some strawberry cream cookies. I also use regular vanilla. You got to put strawberry jello in there, but half a bag, and a little bit of butter. Stir that stuff up. Then you're going to put it on a little tray and put it in the oven. Go ahead and get you the waffle cones and a little steamer. Yeah, I got a basket and some boiling water. Yeah. So I can say the wet paper towel in the middle, make sure it don't cave in on itself and stick. And you do have to put, oh shit, y'all can't see. You do have to put the ice cream cone, like the little opening on the front part, on the steam first, so I can open up the steam, baby. It's steaming. Yeah, this is how they gonna look. You get your little rack, put them on there, and you got your little taco shell. You gotta let them dry a little bit. I made this one a little bit smaller. Yeah. We got Choco tacos at home. Oh, shit. Ooh. Shit, motherfucker.
The middle of summer, which is peak season for ice cream, and today we're gonna find out which candy bar makes the best ice cream. Let's make it happen. King candy comes first. Big activity.
So now I use these two shells to coat the ice cream before the toppings. This is the fudge ripple. Dip it in that chocolate. Man, y'all got DCF ink on stained on my fingernails. It's not dirt. And put them cashews on there. Yeah. Look at that mess. And then I use strawberry ice cream for the strawberry crunch kind. I did, yeah. Man, I'm telling you, it was so good. Dip that thing, girl. This what it look like. Yeah, yum, yum. Eat them up. Yum, yum. Eat them up. Yup. And get you a little bag. I had these bags left over from when I used to sublimate stocks, so they clean everything. But yeah, I put them in there. Freeze them for a couple hours before you eat them. But yeah, this is what it looked like in the bag. And I'm just showing you, that's the chocolate. I'm just talking, y'all. That's the chocolate, and then the other one is the strawberry. Yum. When I tell you both of them was good, both of them was good. Y'all make these Choco tacos or whatever at home. You can put whatever toppings you want to put on it. Yeah, this is after a couple hours. And yeah, y'all can see I'm in the bed eating a Choco taco. Make your Choco tacos at home. Watch my video. Like it, share it, do something, y'all. I want to get paid.